Hey everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you some organization that I have going on in my craft room. So last year I shared that I had purchased some products from Stamp Market to organize my stamps and my dies better than I was. And I purchased those items and then I tucked them away and I did not do anything with them. So that is what's on the agenda for me today. And it might take me a few days to get these organized, but I plan on doing it. So I wanted to share with you what I'm currently doing and how I'm going to change it up. And I will be taking before and after pictures so that I can share them here on my YouTube channel as well as on Instagram. And I'm going to make this into a series because I need to reorganize so many things in my craft room, from my stickers, from my washi tape, to not only my stamps and dies that I'm doing right now, my flowers, my ribbon, my 12 by 12 papers, I want my ephemera. Oh my goodness, my ephemera for sure. So I want to create a series and just share with you what I'm currently doing for storage and then how I will be changing it up. Now sometimes I won't change it completely. I might just tweak it a little bit. And that's what I'm doing for my stamp and storage system right now, is just tweaking it a little bit. And then other things will be a complete change, and other things will just be a cleaning up of a messy system, you know. Like my ribbon box, I kind of have a lot of stuff just thrown in there. So I'm going to pull those things out. I'll show you what it looks like currently, and then I will come back and share with you what it looks like after I have it organized. I function better with things organized throughout my whole house, throughout my life. That's one of the reasons I love using planners, because it keeps me organized. And I love to organize. It's in my DNA, it's in my genes. Even from a child up, I was organizing. I loved organizing my closet when I was a kid. I know that sounds strange to some people, but that's just the way that the Lord made me, you know, so I love to do that. And this last year, I kind of let my craft room get run amok. You know, get run amok? That doesn't even make sense. I let my craft room run amok. It's just out of hand. It's messy. I know some people would say, no, it's not, but believe me, it is messy right now. And I need to organize my hutches. I need to organize my desks and what I have inside and what's on top. So I thought I would take you along. If you have an idea for a name for this series, this organization series, let me know. It'd be kind of fun to put a name to it. But anyway, this is the first in the series of organizing. So I'm going to move some things out of the way off my desk here, and I'll show you my current system for organizing my general stamps. Now I say general because I have a bin designated just for Christmas. This is heavy. And I have a bin that's designated for paper tray ink and autumn. Now I say that because I have a lot of paper tray ink supplies, stamps and dies. Okay, so can you guys see this? Let me see if I can pick it up a little bit. There you go. This is the divider refrigerator bins. And I've used this system for years now. This system is well known through the crafting community. Jennifer McGuire is the one that came up with this system, and I know many of us took it and ran with it because it is a fabulous system. And it's taking your stamps, dies out of the original packaging and putting them into clear pockets, clear acrylic pockets. And then I had it like that for years. And then last year I thought I'm going to get some dividers. So I bought, let me move this off the table. So there you can see, that's my system. I gotta put this on the floor. Oh, goodness gracious. Heavy, heavy. Stay, Haley. My puppy's in here with me. Usually when I film, she's not in the room with me because she thinks when I'm talking, of course, she thinks I'm talking to her, and I'm not. Haley, lay down. Excuse me for just one moment. Haley, lay down. Good girl. You stay. Okay, so last year what I did was I bought some folders, file folders in various colors, and I cut them down. Some of them you can see I rounded the corners, others I didn't. And I labeled them for the company, and then I put them in one of these clear pockets, you know, like this. And it was okay, but after I did it, I realized it wasn't the best way to do this. I think Jennifer does it with a strong, she does something, I think she laminates it so it's good and sturdy and strong. Mine I've only used these dividers since I think last summer, and they're already starting to fall apart. See, they're starting to bend, and the file folder itself is peeling. They're coming apart like that. And then the tape, because I had to tape the pockets, I couldn't just leave them because they kept flipping on me. So I taped them. Well, now you can see the tape, and then some of the tape's coming off, and yeah, they get misshapen because, you know, I'm using them. I'm going through and looking for my stamps, and so a lot of wear and tear happens to those. So that's not the best idea. It looked okay, but it didn't really work as planned. And then I want to share with you this little refrigerator bins. I keep my envelopes, my clear pockets in here. And then I cut down paper to fit in the pockets. And so I have the tall ones. I have the really extra large ones. They're wide and tall. And then I have the regular size ones, if I can pull one out here. And then I have the smaller ones here. And then again, I cut paper to fit in them. That way when I put my stamp in there, I can see, you know, what it is against the white paper. And then I do have a few magnetic sheets in here. And I have my label maker in there. And so I'm going to change this up, and I wanted to share with you exactly how I plan on changing it up. So just bear with me a minute here. So from the stamp market, I purchased several of these stick and store stamp storage. So they come with the tabs, and they're sticky sheets. I don't mean like sticky, like they're not tacky, but your stamps will adhere to them, stick to them. And then they also come with clear pockets. So when you buy it, it's all together already. So here they are, and then the clear pockets. So I'm gonna take one. I've got lotion on my hands, so hopefully I won't get it all over everything, but so you can see it's got, I'm showing you that sheen on it, so you see what it's like rather than just clear paper. So here's how I normally store my stamps. I put the packaging in there, I put this on top, and then I have the white paper in the back. So these stamps, as well as most of my stamps, have this little flimsy liner on the back of them. Invariably, I lose them. I'm not exactly sure why or how. It's like socks, you know, you always get one of the pair out of the dryer, and the other one has run off somewhere. So there it is. and it sticks, it doesn't come off. So now that will go in a pocket. I will label it. I'm just going to take my label off of the other packaging that I already have. No need to do it over. Come on, get in there. And then I will put the packaging in the back. And if I have dies, the coordinating dies will go in the back. So that is the new system. Now some stamps, like the Greetery, have this packaging. It's not as flimsy, but it's all one sheet. So I won't need to worry about those, but I'm still going to put them in the Stamp and Store pockets. And what I could do for these is just stick it on there. I gotta get it to the end. Like that. See? And it sticks. But here's the big thing. I have a lot of rubber stamps from Purple Onion Designs that, you know, that's how they are. I've got them mounted on the cling foam, but when I put them in here, they just, you know, all tumble down to the bottom. So, I wanted to show you this. This made me so happy. You gotta kind of press it on there, but look, they stick onto these tabs. So I will be repackaging my stamps from Stacy Yakula, all my rubber stamps, and put them on these boards too. So that will be fabulous. Now, so I bought several of these. So there was a package there that I had open. So I have that one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. And I believe I got these on sale. And then I bought an extra large, so I can put a bunch of those Purple Onion stamps on here. I can put stamp sets that are really large, you know, tall ones on there. So I will probably need to go back and buy me a couple more because I do have a lot of really large stamp sets. And then the other thing I purchased was divider tabs. So I can put the name of the company here. So these are, and they come in various colors, or you can get them in all white. But I liked the idea of all these colors here in my craft room. So it comes with the white, the pink, the blue, the green, and then like an orange one. I doubt I'll use the orange. So I bought 3 packages of those. There's 10 in per package. And then I bought them for the extra tall stamps as well. So, like I said, I will share with you a before picture when I come back. And, you know, I shared it with you, my refrigerator bins. It's not that easy to see because you're looking down on it, but I will get a good picture of it so you can see what it looks like. And I will also take a picture of it in my IKEA unit because that's where it you know, sits all the time. And then I will take a picture of it after I have it all reorganized with the new tabs and the new stick and storage sheets from the stamp market. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will be back in a few days, hopefully in a few days, and share with you what it looks like all reorganized. Have a great day. Bye.